Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear. Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you.
Ayan, hello! By the way, my name is Honor Zel ng Smell Family Agency. Ayan, so I'm here now in front of you, to all of you guys, because I want to introduce our birthday boy, birthday celebrant, and Silent Sanctuary owner, Boss Rai. Ayan. Ayan, so Rai, happy birthday. Wish ko sa'yo is mag-ingat ka palagi. Huwag mo hayaan ang sarili mo na magkasakit ka dyan. Lagi mong tandaan na hindi ako magsasawa na i-remind ka lagi sa mga alam mo na yon kung anong mga nire-remind ko sa'yo lagi. At lagi mong tatandaan hindi man tayo magkabati, araw-araw, oras-oras man tayo mag-away. Lagi mong tatandaan na kahit inaaway kita, special ka pa rin sa akin. Okay? So, and happy birthday to you. You are my soulmate and my partner in laughter. And every moment with you is a cherished adventure for me. So, everything in life starts with you, everything in life ends in your name. Know that you will always be special in my eyes, my kamahalan. So wishing you a very happy birthday to my awesome kamahalan here in Gayla. So sa lahat ng actually huwag kang mag-alala kasi marami naman kami nagmamahal sa'yo, mga anak-anakan natin dito sa application, lahat, mga Smile Agency, mga kaibigan ko, lahat ng mga nakakakilala sa'yo na ikaw yung couple ko dito or sa personal in life. Ayan, so happy birthday again and good luck, mag-ingat ka dyan dahil malayo ka, hindi ka sa amin. Ingatan mo lagi sa sarili mo, huwag mong pagpabayaan ha, at lagi lang ako dito para pag once na kailangan mo, pag malungkot ka, tawag ka lang sa akin. I always pray free and talo mo na yun. So, happy birthday, love you.
Happy birthday, Daddy Rai. Shoutout sa'yo. Palagi kang mag-iingat. Nandito na yung pogi mong anak. Inom na lang natin yan, Daddy Rai. Ito, sineselebrate ko na yung birthday mo. Ayan, Celebrate ko na yung birthday mo, Daddy Rai. Happy birthday. More chicks to come. See you soon pag uwi mo ng Pinas. Wala ka ibang kamukha kundi ako lang. Bam. Di ba? Magkapares tayo ng pisngi. More blessings to come, Daddy Rai. Salamat sa'yo. Naway lagi mong paiyakin si Mami Sel. More chicks to come. Hindi, seryoso, ingat lagi dyan. Chocolate ko pag uwi mo. Salamat sa pagbibigay lagi ng dayas. Yun lang, Daddy Rai. Sana tumagal ka pa. Mahaba pa yung buhay. See you soon. Kung makakalimutan yung malapit na birthday ka, Daddy Rai, Peace out. JD.
Ayan, Daddy Ray, happy birthday. Ayan, more birthdays to come. Ang wish ko, sana matupad na yung wish mo na makain si Mami. Ayan. Sana makauwi ka at mag-plok-plok na at magbengbang na. Yan ang alam ko naman, yun ang mga hinihintay mo. Ayan. God bless you always. Love you. Mwah.
Happy birthday, Daddy Rai, and more birthday to come. Enjoy your day. And wala naman ako ibang masabi ko, hindi, stay strong and healthy. And ingat ka palagi. And magmahalan kayo lagi ni Mami. Yun lang. Love you.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Yon, happy birthday sa owner ng Silent Sanctuary, Boss Rai. Happy birthday sa iyo, and enjoy mo lang yung birthday mo ngayong araw, and sana nagustuhan mo ang surprise sa iyo ng aking kambal na si Mami Zell ng Smile Family. And on behalf of Team Hackdog, I am Boss Queen, wishing you all the best in life and wish you have a good health, long life, and may the Lord give you more blessings and happiness in life. So, yun lang, and enjoy, Boss Rai. Happy birthday again. Thank you.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, and the sun burning tonight.
Sup? Magandang umaga, magandang tanghali, magandang gabi. Lalo sa iyo, Boss Rai, Mami Zel. Especially sa iyo, Boss Rai, kasi kaarawan mo ngayon. Okay? So, bago ako magbibigay ng mensahe sa iyo, gusto ko ipaparinig sa iyo. May papadinig lang ako sa iyo, Boss Rai.
I would like to greet you the happy birthday and I wish you the best of everything. Sorry, I'm not the speaker straight, but I'm just adjusting. I want you to brains, huh? What do you want? I will give you this, and everything. This is I'm so rich, my nigga. Happy birthday. Live what you want and want you what you live. Thank you, sir. I love you, brother. I love you, and I know you love me. Peace out, man.
So, yun nga. Narinig mo na yan, sir. Yung para sa akin naman yung mensahe ko sa iyo, Boss Rai. Yan. Mabuhay ka hanggat sa gusto mo, Boss Rai. Mag-ingat lagi sa trabaho. Pera lang yan, mahanap din natin ng pera. Pero yung kalusugan natin, importante. Good health tayo sa lahat ng bagay. Huwag abusuhin ng trabaho. Abusuhin ang negosyo. Charot. Gala tayo ng gala, di ba? Yun lang yan, Boss Rai. Good health. At sana, kayo na talaga ni Mami Zel. Forever and ever. Yan lang yun, Boss Rai. At yan, may tricycle na. Maraming salamat dahil kahit konting ano lang, konting pagsasama lang natin nung nasa Smile pa ako. Napakabait mo talaga, Boss Rai. Yun lang. At maraming salamat din na kasi naging part ako ng Smile Family Agency, kung saan yung kabiyak ng puso mo ay nasa Smile. Oh my God. Yan. Thank you, Boss Rai. And happy birthday. Huwag ka lang magsasawa sa amin. Mga anak mo, mga ampun mo. At especially kay Mami Zel. Siyempre, kahit lagi tayong tinotopak minsan. Yun lang yun. Be patient, Boss Rai. Happy birthday. Mabuhay ka hanggat gusto mo. Love you, Boss Rai. Ikaw lang nag-iisang Boss Rai ng Gila.
Happy birthday po, Kuya Rai. At magandang gabi na rin po, lalong-lalo na sa lahat na nandito ngayon sa Silent Sanctuary Agency. So, message ko lang po sa iyo, Kuya Rai, huwag niyo na lang po pabayaan sarili niyo. Ingat na lang po kayo palagi. And sana marami pang blessing na ipagkaloob ni Papa God para sa iyo. Pasensya na rin, Kuya Rai, kung maingay dito. Nasa labas kasi ako. God bless you na lang po, Kuya Rai. God bless you. And sa lahat na nandito, guys, God bless you all. At magpakilala na rin po ako. Ako nga po pala ang owner ng Team Ligaw Agency Family. Thank you po.
Hi, Boss Rai of Silent Sanctuary. Happy birthday to you and more birthdays to come. Stay strong and healthy and take care of yourself always there. Alam po natin na sa malayong lugar po kayo. Lagi niyo pong ingatan ang inyong sarili at huwag kalimutan pong magpasalamat sa ating Panginoon na siyang lumikha sa atin. And then, and I hope na stay in love each other kay ni Beshi Cell. No matter what happens, kung ano man yan, dapat just keep trust and stay in love each other. And once again, happy birthday to you and enjoy your day. Bye-bye!
Hi, kamahalang Ray. Happy 42nd birthday. Ako ang iyong Panginoon, Super Admin Happy, na bumabati sa kamahalan ng happy birthday. Birthday na ni Ray. Birthday na ni Ray. Birthday na ni Ray. Get out!
Happy birthday po, Daddy Admin. On this very special day, I want to warmly greet you a happy birthday. Thank you so much for all the kindness, generosity, and guidance you constantly share with us here in the Gala. You are more than an admin. You are truly our daddy, always giving us opportunities and support that make a big difference in our lives. I also want to honor and appreciate your beloved wife, Mami Zel, our respected owner, for standing with you, inspiring us with her care, leadership. Both of you are such a blessing to us, and we are grateful for all that you do for the Gala family. My prayer is that you, Daddy, will be blessed with good health, long life, and overflowing happiness. May you and Mami Zel continue to be surrounded with love, success, and countless blessings in the years ahead. Enjoy your special day to the fullest. Daddy Admin, you truly deserve all the respect, love, and appreciation today and always. With gratitude, respect, Laika.